Hi, and welcome back to the Northcraft Analytics YouTube channel. We're going to do another cross-process area report today. It's very popular, probably second in popularity to incidents that breached service level agreements or service targets. We're going to use ServiceNow, and we're going to highlight which manufacturer/model of CI has the most incidents. So we're going to do a top 10 report, giving you the ability to drill down into the details as well. So the technical capability we're going to be exploring is drill across. Okay, so we'll start in our incident dimension, our incident cube here, and we have our related dimensions. First, our measures, okay, indicated by the sigma here. Then our key performance indicators, which are specific to the subject matter area that you're browsing. Then our related dimensions. Now here we've unlocked CMDB today. We don't always do this in the demonstrations and in the installation because when a user is first acclimating themselves to the product, they'll want to stay within one subject matter area. But some of those advanced process analysts and users, power report users, if you will, want to start to look at the relationships between the process areas, whether it be CIs and their incidents, changes, releases, etc., or incidents in their service level agreements. Becomes a little bit more difficult to use because there's more there on the screen, but it's very simple still, and we're going to show that right now. Okay, so we'll start with our closed incidents, and we're looking at an unfiltered query. So we're looking at 217,000 closed incidents, and then we're going to bring in from the CMDB now let's look at our model ID. Okay, and then we're going to sort from largest to smallest, and I think that I might want to just check, make sure it's not model number. That's a little bit more specific. It's different depending on the data source, as you know. So, and this depends on how you deploy the discovery technology in ServiceNow as well. So, whichever field is most effective for you, go ahead and use that. Whether that be, IP address, manufacturer, model ID, serial number, they're all there. Okay, so we're going to explore the Spark Enterprise instance a little bit further. Okay, so we're going to use our capability to drill across back into the related incidents. So first of all, let's look at the categories associated with those. So we're going to bring in the category, and you'll see those not specified. Consuming 28. That's 187,000 not specified. So when we look at the Spark Enterprise issues here, you can see that, okay, 168 of those are application server, and then 218 are database. Since the hierarchy here is not quite as friendly for the report users, I'm going to build my own hierarchy, take off this, and we're just going to drag in category. And that way, you'll notice what's really nice about this is I can make it collapsible now when I create my own. So as I'm looking into these issues, let me just do a collapse all. Oh, that'll be easier. There we go. Now I've given the end users the ability to drill down. Okay, so we see that most of these are actually database related, and I want to look at the incidents associated with those Spark Enterprise database issues, or incidents rather. So what I'm going to do is drill back across one more time, and we're going to add in the grain, which is the incident number. So that is also in our classification field. So we're bringing our number, and let me also collapse those so that you have that. There we go. You have the ability to drill down selectively. Okay, so now as I look into those database issues on Spark Enterprise, I see my incident ID, and I can add my priority, my fields from the incident table, which might include things like priority, short description, whether or not we made the SLA, who it was assigned to, really whatever's most important to me. So I click OK, and then we have all of the details there. So now just to review that one more time, we've got the CMDB table at the top. Okay, we've used the model number. Then you drill down into the incident category, and then finally into the incident ID with its related details. We've done that very quickly. As you can see, we're moving across tables. We've broken through query record limits, which are in Eureka. They default to 50,000, and that's a hard limit in Eureka, unlike previous versions for ServiceNow. So we're able to analyze the data in a way that we weren't in the past. And since it's such a common use case amongst our customer base, I thought I'd present that to you today. So let us know if you have any questions. And as always, we thank you for your time.